Hello and welcome back to the solder side. Today we're going to attempt to fix this Gameboy Advance cartridge. So let me show you what it does. So if I put some batteries into this Gameboy Advance, and we put the game in, turn it on. Oh my goodness, it's actually working. How embarrassing. There we go. This is what I was expecting. So it doesn't give you the little Nintendo bit at the bottom, and it just freezes here. I know it's not the Game Boy Advance because I've got another cartridge here. I put that in, turn it on, we get the Nintendo logo, and it plays. So I'm pretty sure it's this. Now, that's the first time it worked for me earlier. I'll try it again, just see what's going on. Doesn't look like it's going to because there's no Nintendo. So it's definitely this cartridge. So let's take it apart and have a look. So it's just one Y screw. And slides open. And let's take that out. So I don't see anything wrong. So I think I might just give the contacts a clean just to see if that sorts the issue out. So I've got some isopropyl alcohol and I'll give it a scrub. While we've got it open, I'll just check the voltage of that battery, make sure it's okay. So just move this out of the way. And it's about 3 volts, so that's still good. Let's get that back in its case. Just give it a bit of wave to dry it. Put this back on and let's get this screw back in. And let's put this back in. We've got the Nintendo. I'm going to take it out and put it back in a few times because this worked earlier. Yeah, so that's working. Right, let's take it out and I'm going to put it back in. Nintendo again. So I think we can call that fixed. So I really apologise for the boring video. I didn't really know what was going to be wrong with it. I just saw it hanging, so I just assumed that, you know, there might be a short or something, but no, I think it's just dirty contacts. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more, please don't forget to subscribe. It really helps the channel out. Thank you for watching.